I wish to congratulate our colleagues in the Rajya Sabha for having passed the Lokpal bill yesterday. Today we in this House have the opportunity to do what our predecessors in Parliament have been unable to do for 45 years, since the first introduction of a Lokpal bill by the government of Prime Minister Indira Gandhi in 1968. We have the chance to make history by enacting the Lokpal bill. I appeal to all parties to come together and pass the Lokpal and Lok Ayukta bills unanimously. Madam Speaker, the Right to Information Act 2009 was the UPA's first and most important assault on corruption in this country. The establishment of the Lokpal is necessary to strengthen the fight against corruption and ensure accountability of public officials to the people. But Madam, the Lokpal bill alone is not adequate to fight corruption. We need a comprehensive anti-corruption code in this country. The UPA government has developed a powerful anti-corruption framework consisting of 8 new central laws. Even after the passage of the Lokpal bill, 4 of these laws still remain pending in the Lok Sabha and 2 in the Rajya Sabha. Madam Speaker, I believe it is our responsibility to complete our unfinished work in our fight against corruption. I believe it is the responsibility of the 15th Lok Sabha to consider and enact all 6 pending anti-corruption bills before its term expires. I'd like to name these 6 bills. Prevention of Corruption Bill 2013 Amendment, the Right of Citizens to Time-Bound Delivery of Goods and Services and Redressal of Grievance Bill 2011, the Public Procurement Bill 2012, Bill to address foreign bribery as required under Article 16 of UNCAC, Judicial Standards and Accountability Bill 2010, the Whistleblowers Protection Bill 2011. These are all bills that we can pass. If necessary, Madam Speaker, can we not extend this session of Parliament? Can we not extend this session of Parliament to complete the passage of these bills and provide this country with a framework to fight corruption? This is not about one bill. This is about a framework, and we would like to deliver that framework to the country. Thank you, ma'am.